Users spend a lot of time on the platform, with average usage in the US around 40 minutes per day. Let's take a look at how people and businesses around the world use YouTube. First, let's take a quick tour of the basics. When you go to www.youtube.com or the YouTube app on your mobile device, you can start watching right away. If you want to comment, share, or save videos, or follow other people's channels, you need to log in with your Google ID. If you want to upload videos, you'll need to create a channel. You can create a channel under your name, or you can choose a brand or company name. Once you have a channel, you can choose to make it public so people can subscribe to it and it can come up in search. If someone subscribes to your channel will appear on their YouTube homepage. Creating and managing your channels happens in YouTube Studio. Here you can edit your videos, sort them into playlists or groups of videos that you think work together, read and answer comments, and get insights on the performance of your videos and growth of your audience. Creators on YouTube who run the gamut from people saving a few individual videos to professional creators like Dude Perfect, or more traditional media publishers like CNN. Since anyone with a phone or computer can be a creator on the platform, YouTube has given rise to a whole new group of celebrities, the YouTube stars phenomenon. YouTube stars are people who've built their fame through broadcasting themselves on YouTube. Stars like Rick Garman, David Dobrik, and Jenna Marbles have very large and loyal followings, mostly made up of young fans. Their authentic style and low-key production make them quite different from celebrities in the traditional media. But it seems that those exact features are what make them attractive to their audience. These YouTube creators monetize their channels by sharing and the revenue from ads on their channel, or from sponsorships and payments they receive from businesses who want them to plug their products. Outside of the main free user-generated video platform, YouTube also offers a live TV service in the US called YouTube TV, where people can stream over 70 TV channels. This is not the only subscription product YouTube offers. There's also YouTube Music, a music streaming service, and YouTube Premium, which gives users an advertising-free YouTube experience and the option to download videos.